Are you wondering how to watch live football on YouTube TV using your Oculus Quest 2? It's a unique and immersive way to enjoy the game, whether you're at home or on the go. In this video, I'll show you how to stream live football on YouTube TV with your Oculus Quest 2. Let's dive in. To get started, open the Oculus browser on your Quest 2 headset. Navigate to tv.youtube.com, the YouTube TV website, and log in to your account, or sign up if you're new to the service. Once logged in, use the browser to find the channel broadcasting the football game, like ESPN, Fox, or NBC, or search for the specific game you want to watch. While YouTube TV doesn't have a dedicated app for Oculus Quest 2 yet, the website works seamlessly in the browser, allowing you to stream live games in virtual reality. For the best experience, make sure your headset is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network and consider using headphones for immersive sound. If this video helped you learn how to watch live football on YouTube TV using your Oculus Quest 2, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy the game.